MATIC is right now starting to go to even higher prices. In this video I will talk about MATIC and share my price prediction with the potential price targets for this bull run. So let's go straight into the content. First of all, MATIC is already on place 14 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $12.6 billion. Right now we are seeing this bullish move on the weekly time frame, and I personally think that MATIC is a great project with a very high potential, and the next really interesting price target is this high right here, because after we built this high after this bullish push, we then saw this move to lower levels again, but we didn't make a lower low, we reacted at this demand zone, and if we are now seeing even higher prices and also break this last high, then we are clearly in a bullish structure on the weekly time frame, and the chance that we can go to the next price target is really high. And if we are also finding acceptance over this price target, the next really interesting price target is the all-time high. And from the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have potential over 130%, which is really nice. But the best coins in the bull run are also exploding over the last all-time high. And I think MATIC has the potential to reach even higher prices. And to calculate the potential price targets, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And then we are getting these potential price targets. And if we have a look at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $4.52. And I think this is a realistic price target for MATIC. And from the prices right now to this potential price target, we would have potential over 250%. And if much money comes into the crypto market, the chance is also high that you could reach this kind of price target of $7.13. And from the prices right now to this potential price target, we would have a potential over 450%. And this would be a really nice deal for MATIC. I personally think that this kind of price target is very realistic, because if we are reaching this kind of price target, we would have a market cap of $40 to $50 billion. And I think this is a really realistic price target for the bull run. But I think it's also possible that we could reach this potential price target. Of course, guys, these are just price predictions from the prices right now. But as I said, I think MATIC will be one of the best performing altcoins in this cycle. So we looked for potential price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy zones for MATIC. And as you can see, we are clearly in a bullish structure on the daily chart with higher lows and higher highs. And I think the chances are high that we can go directly to even higher prices. And as I said, the next really interesting price target is this high right here at $1.56. And I could imagine that we go directly to the upside to these prices without a retracement. So if you're not right now in MATIC invested, I think this kind of prices are already great, because we have a confirmation that we're going to higher prices. But of course, we also saw this move to the upside, and of course the chance for a retracement is there. And if we would see a retracement to even lower prices, then I would first have a look at this zone right here. Because if we are looking at the VRVP, you can see that we have most of the volume right in this space. And the chance if we come back to this zone that we could see a bounce to even higher prices is there. But if we would see a move to even lower prices, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here. Because this demand zone was the start of this push to the upside we made in higher high. And this is a confirmed higher low. So the chance if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then the chance is really high that we could see a bullish explosion to the upside. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like MATIC, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So as I said, I'm really bullish on MATIC, and I think the chance is high that we can go directly to even higher prices. But in the best case, if we would see a move to even lower prices, then I would look for potential long areas, and especially these two areas are great technical areas to get into a long position. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.